Hi, everybody. It's Lynn. Um, Today I'm going to put together an ankle bracelet with you, but I mainly am doing this video. I've repositioned my camera. A few of you have said that it's confusing for you because the view was upside down, and you're right, it was upside down. So I've moved my camera around trying to give you the same shot that I have looking at the beads as I'm working. And if you guys would take a minute to let me know in the comments if this works better for you or if it's not as good, or just, kind of what your view is like, it would be really helpful because I do want to give you guys a good view and I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So the first thing we're going to do, I've already got everything strung and I have these pretty little beads. I don't know if I can get you a shot, but they have roses inside them, tiny little roses. They're like little lampwork glass beads with some little green leaves. And then I just have these clear um, 3 millimeter beads in between. But anyway, I needed a little ankle bracelet. So I've pulled out crimp beads, crimp bead covers, my wire guardians, and we're just going to string it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on a crimp tube, and then I'll put on the wire guardian. Anytime you have a bracelet, I like to use a wire guardian. What it does is it protects your wire. Your wire sits in a channel, and so the jump rings or anything that could rub against your wire is not touching it, because see, your wire sits in this channel right here. Now I like to close those just a little bit and then bring our crimp tube up. Okay. And then we're going to crimp. We're going to first put it in that first divot right there where that tooth comes down to crimp it. Okay. So you put it in that divot and squeeze. Then you turn it sideways and close the crimp like that. Okay. And then I just put the wire back through a few beads, however far it'll go, and then turn it around to get to the other side. Now, normally I would put the clasp right on the bracelet, but I need a little more length and I ran out of beads, so I'm doing it with jump rings instead of attaching it directly to the bracelet to give me just a little bit more length. So up through the wire guardian, around and back down through. And you want to come through your crimp bead and a couple of beads if you can. That's the way I was taught to do it many, many years ago, and I just still do it the same way. Sorry, I know you can't see, but you guys, I'm trying to be so conscious of your view, but with these tiny little pieces, it is hard to do. All right. Then you want to pull that down so that it's snug. Close down our wire guardian just a little bit, not much. Don't squash it. And then hold on to that and pull. Okay, we have it nice and tight, so we're going to crimp. I'm going to put it in that first divot and squeeze. Oop. Make sure you don't have your bead in there or your wire guardian. Turn it and close our crimp. Okay. Cut off our excess wire. Okay. All right, we have a good crimp there. Take our crimp covers, put them over the crimp beads. Whoops. These little suckers get away from you real easy. When you close these, just close them real carefully so that you don't crush them. Okay, there's that one. Let's get this little guy on. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna put our lobster claw clasp on. I have this tiny little jump ring here to put our lobster claw on. And I'm using an oval jump ring because I love the oval jump rings. I think they're more secure because the split of the ring is on the side. So it's never going to work its way so that the clasp is directly on that opening. Ooh, he's so small I can't get a grip on him. Okay, all right. All right, now we'll put our jump ring on for that to latch on to. Close him good. Then I have this little flip-flop charm here I'm going to put on my little ankle bracelet. I'm just going to attach it to the wire guardian here by my jump ring. Okay. All right, you guys. Well, there is our cute little ankle bracelet with our little flip-flop charm. Okay. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate all my new subscribers. And like I said, if you guys would be kind enough to just leave me a comment that this is better, it's not as good, or um, just anything, any ideas that you guys have that I could give you a better view. I'm still uh, dealing with that learning curve of learning how to film for y'all. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.